Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having an awesome day and an amazing life. Welcome back. Third day in a row. This is amazing. I'm actually just looking at some of the footage and trying to figure out what to share on this video. So if you haven't seen the past two videos, I've been sharing my adventures that I had in Colorado this past summer. So start with the first video and then go to the second, and this is the third in the series. So I'm super excited to share with you guys an awesome adventure that me, my brother, and my sister-in-law had while I was in Colorado this summer. This was the first time since being there that I was actually taking the Nissan Pathfinder off-roading. This was the first time that I was going to be camping, and I was just so excited for this because if you haven't seen the first two videos, I went out there for this. Long story short, we're not going to recap all that again. If you haven't seen that, go watch those other videos. And then this video is not about any of that. It's about fun, adventure, and just the stars and the mountains and the beautiful scenery of Colorado. So, welcome. Let's just get right into this, guys. So, I'm at my brother's place right now. We've got the car packed up. He's just grabbing a few more of his items. This is what it's looking like right here. He had one of these already. Real excited to kind of get away from all of this and go up into the nature and sleep under the stars tonight. So super excited. Bro also brought me some cha. Oh yeah. We got some stuff here from Walmart. Brother's running away. Brother got himself a thermos. I got a chair. We got the gas that we need.
Not just any chair.
The backpack.
Backpack and Nimbus 3000.
Yeah. A few more items, and then we're gonna skip to the mountains, brother.
Put it out. That's it. Just put your fires out.
Okay.
Pack it in and pack it out, brother.
We've reached the dirt trail part of this. This is awesome.
Go, Pathfinder.
Pathfinder time!
Time to shine.
How you liking it?
I'm loving it.
Boys, low torque. 4x4 power all to the
We have
four wheels.
activated the Pathfinder 3000. I'm getting risky now, brother. If your phone goes, it goes.
Bro, I don't want you to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh my god, that's dangerous.
Here's this boy here. Sans, what are you doing? Get off me.
We're on three to the big bump.
All right, I'm good. I gotta get it for the views, bro. Come on. The blog needs it. The bloggers. All right, guys, look at this. Look at this shot right now, bro. Say, just hold my feet. Just hold my leg. You're good. Just hold my leg. You're not doing anything but holding my head.
So you guys are probably like, dude, these guys are like geeking out over what seems like a dirt road. Just keep in mind, this is our first time off-roading, especially Hoosier boy, being out there on a dirt road. And, it looks pretty plain, but it had some lumps. It got some bumps and lumps. So, yeah, we were geeking out, but, it was first time for us. So it was pretty awesome. So just keep that in mind if we start judging.
Pathfinder, take me home. We're going. Got the homies inside. Sans.
This is amazing. Alright, the brother is saying that I can do this. I don't know if I can. I want to.
हाँ हाँ सही कह रहे हो
Oh shit.
Careful, bro. One left a little. Yeah, no more going up, bro. This is insane. Ground होना चाहिए. Then we can set up our tent right there or right there. But for you.
Guys, it made it. The Pathfinder's here. It brought us. Look at this. Completely out here. No one's here. It's amazing. Let me show you guys my bed for tonight. So I got my bed, pillow, bed, and the blankets here. Survived the night in here. It's pretty cold. Morning brews. Got the fire going again. It got cold, guys. It got real cold last night for me in the car. I had 2 windows open. Woke up freezing. Put the windows up, and then I didn't have a sleeping bag. I just had like 2 of these bad boys. So I might have to get a sleeping bag for tonight, but.
So cold in the morning, and my hands are so frozen.